All you need for this easy ribbon tulip is about 12 inches of ribbon and some hand sewing needle and thread. Fold over one end of the ribbon. Now we want to fold the ribbon at a right angle from the previous folds and you want to do that until you make a square. Tuck the tail of the ribbon over to the back of the square. Then you want to turn the ribbon square over and fold over the raw edge of the ribbon, mimicking the pattern from the rest of the square. Now you want to add a long basting stitch around the outer perimeter of the square. Pull the thread to gather the base of the flower. And you're finished.